The coronavirus pandemic continues in 2021, but new numbers from Hillsdale County have health officials rethinking some of their restrictions. Daily confirmed cases have decreased 27% from November to December, while the average daily count of COVID-19 patients at Hillsdale Hospital has decreased 58% as of Tuesday compared to early December at their peak.
We are again allowing one visitor for most inpatient areas, so that would include our medical surgical floor as well as critical care unit. That would include our behavioral health unit, and there's some extra limitations with that in terms of the visiting hours and that kind of thing.
Case numbers across the county have been trending in the right direction, making it safer for visitors to be closer to the ones they love.
As a healthcare organization, you never want to be in the position of having to limit a patient's face-to-face access to their family. It is not something that we ever want to do, but it's a difficult decision that we have to make at certain times. But that's why we are paying attention to this so closely, so that we are not continuing more restricted visitation when maybe it's not as necessary anymore.
But the hospital's ability to reopen is limited by the pandemic and the availability of a ready vaccine here in Jackson County.
For many others, is we're limited by vaccine supply. We've been vaccinating between 400 and 500 people a day at the One Jackson Square location, which is in downtown Jackson, and we have more sites we could open and more we could do if we had the vaccine supply available. And I know everybody's vying for that right now, and the state's trying to secure more. If we were actually able to get to the 1,000, 1,500, even 2,000 people per day, we would have the capacity to do. We'd actually move through the population very quickly.
Hospital workers monitor the situation daily to make sure everyone stays safe.
So this is the, I believe, third time throughout the pandemic that we have made kind of a major change to our visitation from really restricted, less restricted, really restricted again, a little less restricted again. So we're doing everything we can to make sure that we are making changes in real time as appropriate based on what's going on in our community.
Now, the hospital is still on high alert and is requiring masks for visitors. In Hillsdale, Joe Gebhardt,